Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am with a very easy topic and very useful topic for the school going children, especially for the 8th class, 9th class, 10th class children. Since this topic is very much useful for them in the topics like active voice, passive voice and reported speech. Let's start. What is the topic here? Changing assertive sentences into interrogative sentences, or else changing as interrogative sentences into assertive sentences, both assertive to interrogative as well as interrogative to assertive. Let's start. Let's first of all let's see assertive to interrogative. I like maths, assertive sentence. How do we convert into interrogative? When there is V1 in the sentence, when there is only V1 in the sentence, here you see I like is V1. So if you want to frame a question for this, simply you have to add only do. Then the sentence becomes question. What is the question here? Do I like maths? Okay, is it clear? Let's take some other subjects. You like maths. What's the question for that? Do you like maths? They like maths. What's the question? Do they like maths? In that way, if there is only V1, you need not make any changes for that. Simply have to add do. Next, if there is interrogative sentence like do I like maths, if you get a chance to change it into assertive sentence, simply do should be removed. No need to make any changes. Then remaining part will be changed into assertive sentence. Of course, you have to remove question mark also. Okay. Then it becomes I like maths. I like maths becomes assertive sentence. Okay. So we discussed assertive to interrogative and interrogative to assertive. Second, I liked maths. Here what is the verb here? Liked. Liked means second form. If it is second form, the question should begin with did. If there is second form in the sentence, when you convert into interrogative sentence, the question should begin with did. And this main verb should be changed into V1 form. Okay, let's see the answer. The answer, did I like. Have you observed it? Here liked, and here when it comes to here it became like, because in the beginning we used did. So did after we should not use V2 form. That's why did I like maths. Okay, I think it's clear. Next, so only the problem is with these two first sentences. Let me take a few more seconds for that. I like maths. Here like is V1. If there is V1, question should be framed with by adding only do. Next, second, I liked maths. Liked is V2. If there is V2, question should be framed with did. But remember that when there is did in the beginning, the verb should be changed into V1 form. So here liked changed into like. Okay, just like that we see one more. She likes music. Likes means V1 followed by yes form, since it is simple present tense. So when there is likes, question should begin with does, and then in this likes word yes should be removed. I hope it is clear to you. When there is V1 plus SR form in the sentence, question should begin with does, and when we convert into question, likes will be changed into like. So what is the question here? Does she like music? Only the problem is with these three. What is that? I like maths, I liked maths, and she likes music. Okay, I think I am clear to you. Let's see remaining things. Remaining things are very easy. Why I am saying very easy? They have some helping verbs here. Am, have, will, can. When helping verbs are there, our task will be very easy. When you want to convert a simple statement into question, just you have to bring that helping verb forward. Then it becomes am I, have I, will I, can I. For example, if you get a question, am I like that, that am should go after the subject, have should go after the subject, will should go after the subject. Then it becomes assertive sentence. Okay, so I hope this class is clear to you. So for more clarity, I am giving here you can a chance to take a screenshot. You can take screenshot for this will be useful for 8th class, 9th class, 10th class and intermediate going children, and this will be useful in active voice, passive voice and speech. I hope this is clear to you, and we'll meet back in the next classes. Bye bye.